Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this, in this case it's a Xiaoyi static mount adapter. For example, in my case it's a GoPro to mount this. It's an aluminium device which lets your camera system mounted to a tripod, for example. Really cool. It's a mount adapter for tripod, or a tripod adapter, with Knurled camera holder accessories. And it's compatible, for example, the GoPro Hero 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and so on. DJI Osmo, Xiaoyi Action Cam, and so many more. In the package, there were two of the tripod holders adapters and two long wing screws. Really cool. The one piece threaded and requires no nut, which is more convenient to use, of course. It's robust and durable tripod mount adapter. The tripod holder adapter and the thumb screw are made of a high-quality aluminium alloy. They are rust-proof, robust, and durable. High-quality aluminium thumb screw for extra stability for adventure. Oh yeah! And it was, I have so many adventures, I can tell you. And I will tell you. And it's universal for tripods, selfie sticks, monopods too. 1/4 inches standard universal interface. This is the big standard in our mounting way, in camera sector. It is convenient to connect with a self-shooting stick or a tripod too. We can easily mount a tripod adapter holder on the tripod and connect it to our GoPro or camera system. And really easy to use, oh yeah. Simply install the base on the tripod. We connect the camera after this, screw the screw into the tripod adapter, and finally screw the nut on the screw to complete the installation. It's compatible with all cameras, tripods, adapter, nearly all. It can be compatible with the GoPro Hero 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. Xiaoyi, DJI Osmo Action, and so on. And of course, all other action cameras out there. Really, really cool. It's really cool because I damaged mine. I was at a wash station to wash the car, and of course I was filming with three tripods, and one tripod was installed in the front of the car, and then the wash tech, the system came a little bit too closer to the tripod and throw away my GoPro. The GoPro is finally good, but the mount adapter was not good anymore. So I needed a new one, and I choose this one because it's made of aluminium and it looks in black and in blue really cool, as you can see. As you can see, it's really easy to attach and of course easy to use. It's a really good feature to mount your camera system onto a tripod, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.